Kuya Elijah is 18 na. Nagulo kasi sila. Hindi pa organized eh. Yeah. Sabi na ni Kuya, nasaan na yung aking lunch?
Oh, you are hungry.
Hungry na kasi siya. Yeah, that's why he's eating. Very good.
Grade 1.
Good job.
Grade 1 now.
High five. Itong isa, nakita nyo.